guys. Happy birthday, Caitlin. How old are you? Are you happy today? Did you enjoy? You like it?
Do you like the gift?
You like? Oh, at least you will not hug your mom. You are now the extra mom hugging you, na? Mas malaki yung ano.
Thank you.
Mel, say hi. Say hi na nga eh. Palabok. Picture mo natin palabok. Si Nanay. Hi, say hi, Nay. Nay, lagot ka na. Gumala ka. Ayan. Nagutan niya si birthday girl, oh, na. Enjoy lang, enjoy. Ayan kami, guys. Say hi. Hi, birthday girl.
Pwede ito pag binili mo as in
Yay! Happy birthday, Caitlin! Rawan, happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Thank you po! Thank you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Caitlin! Kumakain na ng cake.
Yung cake, binanatan na niya.
Binanata na ang cake. Ayan kami, guys.
Hindi talaga. Gusto ko talaga itong cake na.
O, banat!
Mukbang yung cake. Natawa ko dito. Sinain mo.
Happy birthday, Caitlin!
Pagkain ba ito?
One more bite. Oh, diba? Okay lang, enjoy mo ang birthday girl.
Bye-bye. Everyone,
Hi, Caitlin. Thank you for the birthday treat. Thank you for the food. Welcome, where are you? Look. Look at me. Bye. Ayan, tapos na kami, guys. We say goodbye na. Thank you din, ah. Pagkasabi kay Eric, Rick, thank you, Rick, for the food. Sa treat.
Thank you so much.
Si Nanay, mama ni Emil. Si Mel.
I want to have more fun.
Yan na.
You need to open.